In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Siri with Apple Notes. First, let's ensure Siri is turned on. If Siri isn't enabled, you won't be able to use it for your notes. To do this, go into your device settings. You will see the option for Siri and search. Tap on that. Make sure the toggle for Listen for Hey Siri is switched on. This will allow you to activate Siri hands-free. Once that is done, you can also enable the option for Press Side button for Siri. This provides an alternative way to call Siri if needed. It's crucial to ensure Siri is ready to respond to your commands. Now that Siri is enabled, it's time to activate it. You can say Hey Siri if you enabled that option. Alternatively, you can press the side button on your iPhone or iPad. This action brings Siri to life. You'll know it's activated when you see the Siri interface pop up on the screen. It's important to be in a quiet environment when activating Siri to ensure it hears your commands clearly. Next up, let's create a note with Siri. Simply ask Siri to create a note by saying, "Create a note." This command will prompt Siri to start a new note in the Notes app. You will see a visual confirmation on your screen as Siri begins the process. This is a fantastic way to quickly jot down ideas or reminders without needing to type. Another way to use Siri is by taking a note with specific content. For instance, you could say, "Take a note, buy groceries." Siri will immediately create a note with that title. You will notice how efficient this is for capturing important information on the go. This step saves you time and effort, allowing you to focus on other tasks. From there, if you want to access earlier notes, you can ask Siri to show you. Just say, "Show me my notes about vacation." Siri will search through your notes and present the relevant ones on the screen. This capability is incredibly useful for retrieving information quickly. You won't have to scroll through your notes manually, making your experience seamless and efficient. Now let's explore how to open a specific note. You can simply say, "Open my note called Meeting Notes." Siri will locate that note and open it for you. You will see the content of that note appear on your device. This feature is particularly helpful for accessing notes you may have created previously without needing to remember where they were saved. It's vital to note that while Siri can create new notes and find existing ones, it cannot append text to an existing note using voice alone. If you want to add more to a current note, you will have to do that manually. However, you can use the Shortcuts app to build a custom Siri shortcut that could help with this function. This little step opens up more possibilities for how you can use Siri with your notes. In conclusion, using Siri with Apple Notes can significantly enhance your productivity. With just your voice, you can create, find, and open notes with ease. Whether you're in a meeting or on the go, Siri allows you to manage your notes hands-free. I hope you find these tips helpful. Give it a try and enjoy the convenience it brings to your daily tasks.